Welcome to Grammar Lessons with Garnet Education.
We use adjectives to describe nouns. Let's talk about my horse, Trevor. We can make simple sentences with the verb be. The adjective goes after the verb.
Trevor is grey. His hair is dark. His legs are strong.
We make yes-no questions like this.
Is he dangerous?
And negatives like this.
No, Trevor isn't dangerous.
We use what and like to make open questions like this.
What is Trevor like?
We can use adjectives before nouns in sentences like this.
Trevor has a friendly face. He has kind eyes. He is a really wonderful horse.
Thanks for watching.